Alright boys, so today we are gonna be opening a nether portal in Minecraft. So this is a tutorial, so make sure to watch it until the end. First we need to get obsidian. So we need to build this up like this. In no matter what block you place, but you place it like this. You need to connect all of them. And you need to put obsidian here, and you gotta get the flint and steel. You need to craft it, by the way. So you light it and heat it. Never. So you just go on it. I broke it, but just can kill mobs around here. So this is the tutorial for this video. Like and subscribe if you get anything help for this video. Subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.